The people of Ijansa community in Warri Southwest local government area of Delta State have appealed to the local, state and federal government to come to their aid following the destruction of homes and properties by a windstorm on Saturday, February 25, 2023, which has rendered hundreds homeless and hungry in the land. They stated this when the councillor representing Ijansa, Ijelejele, Ward 13, Comrade Felix Yeribowe company paid a visit to the community to assess the level of destruction. For residents of Ijansa, a riverine community in Warri Southwest local government area of Delta State, the past 6 days can be described as hell on earth. During the February 25 presidential and National Assembly elections, a heavy windstorm visited the coastal town and left Indigenous with a bitter taste as homes were destroyed. When newsmen arrived in the community, men, women and children were seen trying to put up makeshift shelter while expecting succor from the relevant government authorities. The community leaders, Smart, Terry and some other concerned women who spoke narrated a bitter ordeal and called for urgent help from the local council, the Sopatic, House of Assembly member and other relevant government parastatal.
What happened on that Saturday during the election period? There is a big wind which took place on that Saturday. It is only that wind that we used to fall all the houses, about almost 20-something houses for this community. And I'm the community chairman here. So what I'm pleading is that let the local government chairman help us, because we all living under the sun and the rain. We have nowhere to go. So we are pleading that they should help us. We also want the Super Commissioner to help us too. And we are pleading our councillor so that he should talk to them so that they should help us. Please.
Okay.
This is Ijansa community.
After the vote, now the bill needs come take the houses. After they take the houses, come press some of people with the vote safe. So what we need for the government, we need the houses, all the people who vote for, House of Rep, the government, senator, everybody. We need help. May they build all the houses for us, because now we know they feel they sleep because of the winds where it come blow everywhere. We know they feel they sleep. Even to shop we know they feel they get any kitchen to shop. We just stay one place like that. So may they help us build the houses. The breeze where it blows, so after the voting, now the breeze blow, cause scatter all the houses. After the houses scatter, nowhere to sleep. To shop, we don't feel sleep safe. To cook shop safe, we don't feel shop. This ground now to the stay. So make una help us build the house. So we not go fit stay for one place like that. Now sun now we dey. So make government, everybody help us join hand. Make them help us. All our children are ground, we dey suffer. Even to cook shop, we not feel cook shop safe. So make them help us build the houses for us. We beg we suffer. Look at see everywhere where the breeze is scatter. All the old riverside. Even the boat self, some local boat self. Everything don't fall. Everything don't fall. May they help us. I make may they help us.
Responding, the councillor representing Ijansa Ijelejele Ward 13, Honorable Felix Yeribowe company, said it was with shock and disbelief that he learned of the windstorm. He sympathized with those affected as he beckoned on the local government chairman, Honorable Toyo, and other relevant government authority to come to their aid. Honorable Yeribowe equally thanked the Warri Southwest local government chairman, Honorable Toyo, for embarking on the construction of a teachers' lodge in Enegbagbane community, a move he described as timely. Honorable Company, who is also the National Coordinator of Independent Grassroots Liberators, IGL, commended the electorate in the Ijansa Ijelejele Ward 13 for their large turnout and peaceful conduct during the February 25 presidential election, as he charged them to repeat such feat during the March 11 governorship and State House of Assembly election.
It's a very terrible situation and war situation. I was called upon that after election, our immediate past election, storm destroyed about 14 or to 15 houses, that they are in pain and suffering. So I said, okay, I will find time and come to the events. That is why we are here. So we are here with my people to see the situation, and we have seen the situation. It's a very terrible one. And as you rightly heard when the people were lamenting and talking, that the situation is out of hand. So they need the state government, the rep, the House of Assembly, mostly the local government chairman, to come and help them in this situation. And as a councillor, I think it's my duty to carry this message to them. So I also want to join my voice with them, that they should come and do something with immediate effect. Whatever miss, we understand the situation of the country right now, but even at that, I think we need to help these people because they are in pain, they are homeless. Yes, I want to say thank you on behalf of the people. I want to say thank you to our LGA chairman, Honorable Taye Duke. I know it is not easy for any chairman to bring out money from the system to carry out a project like this. Why I commend him most is that when I spoke to him on this issue based on the students are suffering teachers because they have nowhere to stay, he now said, okay, he will do something before the end of our tenure. And that is what he is doing. So for that, I think he's one of the best chairmen we've seen so far. And as you can see, the project is going on and it will help the students a lot. So we want to say thank you on behalf of the people of Ijansa Ijelejele Kingdom.
Similarly, the Ijaw Youth Council IYC chairman Ogbijo Engineer Ambassador Smart Okusu lauded the people of Ijansa who, in spite of the natural disaster that destroyed their houses, yet still came out in their numbers to vote the way of IGL directive.
IGL is a socio-political group that trying to draw the attention of the government to the grassroots, to know the suffering of the grassroots and let the grassroots benefit the democracy and the diversity of democracy of every ward and unit or local government. IGL is not only limited to Oyo Southwest. We have IGL all over the world, 36 states operating, all local governments. Of course, why the justice were handed over to them, we are happy because of the peaceful election this world have conducted, and they vote very well. That is why we appreciate them. More are coming if they really vote very well to the states, to the local government, and to the world and down to the units.
As part of effort to appreciate their effort, branded jerseys were handed out to the football team of Ijansa and Enegbubene communities amidst excitement and celebration. After the presentation of the branded jersey, the captain of the Enegbubene community football team and others thanked IGL for always identifying with them.
IGL, anything they do for us, and may God be with them, provide everything for us. So may God help them, open their way for them to do more things for us. In Jesus' name.
Your name?
Josiah Oluwale.
Again?
Josiah Oluwale.
Okay, your position?
First of all, we thank IGL because IGL is the #1 people who are presenting jersey to us. Why we vote for them and we do well for the election. So they produce this jersey for us and we thank them. May God bless them. Anywhere that they go for election, may they go front. And next coming election, we will vote for IGL. Like this jersey, as we received the jersey, my co-footballers, my younger ones, just like spirit enter them.
Motivate them.
So they, any tournament we can win. And in the name of IGL, we thank them.
Honorable Yeribowe thereafter gave cash assistance to victims of the windstorm disaster to help cushion their suffering.